Well, here's another song about getting old and all the stuff you lose. One particular thing you lose when you get old. You were a prisoner of the road, of the highway and the show. But now the years brought you home to the living that we both know. And I'm thinking you won't go. You were a writer in that fate you're living on, that turn of phrase. Now the years have taken away all that promise, those old days. But I remember you that way. There is something in the air that will keep me with you there. And I'm holding on to dreaming of the time when you were still there. Or some wild horse on the prairie, headed straight for that shining sea. And now the years have taken away all that promise of those old days. But I remember those motorcycle days. I remember